Okay, let's see it.
Here she goes, all by herself. Look at that kid. Look at her. She just starts. She is definitely riding a bike. There she goes. My little baby girl. And she stops.
Good job!
All right!
Chloe, come here. Hey, hey.
She's really, really... Look at how far away she is from us. She's just cruising.
Look at her go.
I know. Boo-boo.
Let's see your brakes. Nice!